Hello everyone, this is Mihir Koralwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on PNB Housing Finance. Analyst maintains buy rating on PNB Housing Finance with a potential upside of 24%. The risk-reward profile for investors in PNB Housing Finance appears compelling, driven by an improving industry outlook and attractive valuations. Leveraging past lessons, the company has proactively strengthened its market position. We anticipate Punjab National Housing Finance to demonstrate robust growth, projecting an 18% CAGR in loan book and a 24% CAGR in PAT from FY24 to 27. This growth trajectory is expected to translate into return on assets of 2.7% and return on equity of 14.6% by FY 2027. We assigned price to book multiple of 1.3x to the company's projected FY27 earnings, implying a potential upside of 24%. A sustained track record of successful execution is likely to drive re-rating of the stock. Next, we have an update on HDFC Life. Analyst maintains buy rating on HDFC Life with a target price of Rs 870. In Q3 FY25, outcome on VNB margin is better than expectation through APA growth in slightly lower, but company remains in a comfortable position to meet its full year guidance of 18 to 20% APA growth for FY25 estimates. The stock corrected sharply by 20% in the recent months because of the news flow around capping on the bancassurance share and likely fear around taxation changes, if any, during the forthcoming budget. We believe these concerns are adequately priced in. Valuations are cheap. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 2x and 1.7x FY26 and 27 embedded value estimates. The stock has underperformed the broader indices in the last 12 months and in the last 5 years.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.